I did want to go back to the view of the website for a minute and just kind of go through a few of these kitchens.
Okay.
Tell me a little bit about, tell me about some of the styles and trends in this that we're seeing now in kitchens.
Obviously, I would say this is your modern look. Very, very sleek. End panels all the way around on the left side of the refrigerator. A flush door, not an overlay door. Open shelves, that's very popular now, is just open shelving. Cabinets all the way to the ceilings, no crown molding at all, just a little square edge molding. Sleek island, a little different color there. That's accent wall with a color, you know, just a little different. Lighting, look at the lighting. I mean, that light fixture is just, you know, very modern. These are empty nesters. They came from about an 8,000 square foot house to about a 2,500 square foot house. So we had the pleasure of doing this project, and I think there's actually this one was less than 8 weeks.
Wow, really?
Yeah, but just a total modern.
Yeah, this is beautiful. Maybe we'll go out to some different
and this one opened up into the family room, little coffered ceiling, mixing styles. That's a little more traditional, but gives it a more softer, homey look. That was actually a 2-story family room that we created a ceiling in there.
Yeah, so pretty. And what are you seeing that people like really are? What are you seeing a lot of? Like, are you seeing still a lot of whites and creams and that sort of thing? Yes
and no. It's on demand. The lighter colors make a house sell quick for the builders, but more of the grays now are coming back. Okay. And mixing and matching. Yeah. You know, that first 8 week had pure modern look with a traditional bar. Mm-hmm. You know, typically it doesn't work, but it does work if that's what you're looking for. Yeah. The husband liked the traditional look. The wife liked the modern look. We got to make it work. Oh, that's awesome. We got to make it work.
Do you want to talk about this one real quick and then we'll go back?
Yes. I think that was Brent.
Okay. Yeah. I'll go back. Sorry. So this one, I really love all these white, you know. Yes. It's very clean, very pretty.
Yes. And that actually had a fireplace in the kitchen originally.
Really?
Yes. A full brick fireplace. And Brent said, you know, we're really just struggling how to make this fireplace work.
Yeah?
And I said, do you use it? He says, no. I says, let's get rid of it.
Absolutely, yeah.
And he thought it was going to be very unaffordable because it had a chimney outside, and I gave him a price, and it's just demo.
Yeah.
So we got rid of it, and the kitchen worked without the fireplace because they had 2 other fireplaces in the house.
Well, lots of beautiful kitchens that we could see on that. Please go to the Oneida Builder website. You'll see so many beautiful kitchens there.